Okay everybody, let's embroider a pet tag. So we are going to press the screen and wake up the machine. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. There we go, we are at the Baby Lock Altair 2 embroidery machine, and I'm going to press on the IQ designer and I'm going to open up a shape. This can be any shape that you want. There's lots of different shapes to choose from. We're back to this main screen here. And do you know what? I might just pick this one, make it nice and simple. Okay. So this is obviously a pet tag, so we don't want this to be so big because it's going to go on their collar. So I'm going to reduce it right down so that the smallest part is about 2 inches. So I'm going to do it about that and press OK. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to make it bigger so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. I'm going to press on this bucket here. And then we are going to make this a running stitch. I'm going to change the colour, press OK, and just press on that line. And it's going to change that to a running stitch as well as your different colour. So then I'm going to press next. I'm going to save that into the IQ designer side of the machine. And then I'm going to preview it. And then that is going to go to the memory of the embroidery machine. So then I'm going to press home and OK. So we're back at this screen again, press on IQ Designer, then we're going to open what we just did. Then I'm going to press on here and press set. And then we're going to change this to a satin stitch. So we're going to press on the bucket and press on the settings. It's already on satin stitch, always saves it to a satin stitch. I'm going to press on a different colour, press OK. I'm going to increase this so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to press on the inside of here and that changes everything. So then I'm just going to press next. I'm going to change the width of that satin stitch. I'm going to do it to this, press set. Then I'm going to save it into the IQ designer. This is just in case we want to make any changes. And then preview it, and I'm going to do it to memory. Okay, and I'm going to press home and OK. Next thing I want to do is press on the embroidery, and I'm going to bring in the text. So you want to make it readable. Don't do anything squiggly. And I'm just going to write my pet's name, which is Gatsby. And set. Now we need to edit this and we need to size it down, and we need to size it all the way down. That's as low as this one's going to go. So I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to put that into the memory of the machine. Now press home, go all the way out of it, and then press embroidery. Now we're going to start building everything. So we're going to bring in our running stitch and set. Well, that's the placement stitch. Always double check that this is saving in the correct size, and it has done. So we are going to add. I'm going to do another one, and that is going to be the tack down stitch. Then we're going to add, and then we're going to add our pet's name and set. And we're going to make sure, so we can't go any lower here. And we do have some small text just in case we do have to change that. So we're going to press OK, add, and we are going to add another running stitch. And then we're going to add our satin stitch. Set. There we go. Now everything is perfect. I always like to change these colours so they're not the same. And OK. You're going to press on the word embroidery. And we're ready to go. Okie dokie, we're going to do that placement stitch first. My stabilizer is a wash away stabilizer. I have this little bit of vinyl here of off-coat that I can just use. You want to make sure that your piece goes right over the top of our design. We're going to do a tack down stitch. Then we're going to write out our name Gatsby. Take the hoop out of the machine and you're going to place the backing piece onto the reverse of the hoop. Run that tack down stitch. Cut the excess of the vinyl away. Do the same thing on the reverse side of your pet tag. Run that satin stitch all the way around. Cut around the excess of the stabilizer, but not too close. Get some nice warm water on your fingers and then just start rubbing away the stabilizer. This is the reason why I always recommend using the wash away stabilizer whenever we're doing this kind of project. It's just really easy to take it away. Do not try and do it with cutaway. It's just a pain. Once complete, you're going to find the center of your pet tag. And I like to use this leather hole puncher to create a hole for myself. I'm going to use these grommets. Don't be scared of them. They are very easy to put on. So I'm just going to put that into the back. Actually, no. This part here goes into the front. And the part that you smack into place goes into the back. So I've put the top on and it comes with this other bit here. And you basically use a hammer and that goes into place. And there you go. You can now put a jump ring through there and put it on your cat's or your dog's collar. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Commenting really helps my channel, so please do that. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.